Welcome to Sectigo Certificate Manager, SCM, How-to Video Series. This video will show how SCM administrators can request an SSL certificate from within the user interface of SCM using the network agent. Rules for issuing SSL certificates. All SCM administrators can issue an approved certificate for the organization or department's validated domains which they have been assigned to. Network agent. Before managing the automatic installation and renewal of SSL certificates, you must have a network agent correctly configured. A network agent installed on a single server can be configured to communicate and install certificates on other remote servers in the network. To execute certificate installation tasks, the auto-installer functionality must be enabled for your account. If you order an OV certificate, the certificate will be issued automatically within minutes. If you order an EV certificate, it will be issued automatically only if you have an EV Anchor certificate. If you don't have an EV Anchor, you must contact the Sectigo validation team using the contact number you received during your onboarding process. We will now detail the issuance of an SSL certificate using the network agent. Firstly, we need to navigate to the SSL certificate button on the left-hand side of SCM. You will see other certificates that you may have issued. Next, click the Add button, which is the green plus sign at the upper right corner of the screen. Once selected, SCM will prompt you for the enrollment method. Select the option Generate CSR with Auto Installation, and then click Next. Complete the details fields based on the information requested, and click Next. Mandatory settings are marked with a red asterisk. You can add the email address of the external requester in the field titled External Requester within the certificate details of an issued certificate. Click Next to open the private key page. Specify the private key parameters as follows. First, in the key algorithm field, select the key algorithm you want to use in the certificate. Then for RSA, in the key type field, select either 2048 or 4096, and click Next. This will open the domains page. Enter the domain name and click Next. We are now on the nodes and ports page. Select one or more servers hosting one or more of your target domains. Select one or more domains on which you want to install the certificate, and then supply a value for the column labeled Bind to that corresponds to the port number to which the SSL certificate should be bound after issuance. Click OK, and then Next to open the auto installation page. Use the auto installation page to choose whether you want to start auto installation manually or schedule it for a later time as follows. Select Triggered Auto Installation to start the auto installation manually after completing the wizard. To do this, navigate to the Certificates page, and then the SSL Certificates subpage, to select the certificate, and then click Install. Select Scheduled Auto Installation to specify a date and time to run the auto installer. The agent will generate the CSR and submit it to Sectigo the next time it pulls SCM after the scheduled time. If you selected Scheduled Auto Installation, populate the schedule fields. Once that is done, it is time to proceed to the final stage, which is deciding on the certificate auto-renew parameters. This allows the renewal of the certificate to take place automatically during a certain period prior to the expiration. Enabling this allows you to define how many days prior to expiration you wish to auto-renew. For instance, you can set it to renew 30 days or 20 days or any period before its expiration date. Select Create New Key Pair while renewing to specify that you want to generate a new key pair for the renewed certificate. Leaving this option disabled means SCM will reuse the key pair of the old certificate. On the scheduled day, the agent will automatically generate a new CSR using the same certificate parameters as the existing certificate and submit it to the CA. Upon completion of the required parameters, as soon as you click OK, the certificate will appear on the SCM dashboard with an issued status. And at this point, you have full administration capabilities. If you require any additional information, please check our documentation page in our SCM as well as all the various articles in our knowledge base section. Thank you.